RecruitMilitary Service Solution has been a massive help for us. I help to coordinate all of the outreach that we do to transitioning military affiliated personnel, which is really awesome and fulfilling. Veterans and spouses have adaptability, they have leadership, they have innovative mindsets, and they are mission focused. And those are qualities and characteristics that are not easily taught. And they've now become a business imperative for a lot of companies. So my job and the job that my team is doing at John Deere exists because we recognize that, and we want to hone in and utilize and really capitalize on the veteran and the spouse talent that's out there. My husband is active duty. I am immersed in the military life, thanks to the type of life that our family leads. Not all the branches of the military function the same. RMS Squared has been really great in helping us to bridge the branch gap. They're unmatched. We have veterans of every single branch with the exception of the Space Force, which, that's just a matter of time. RMS Squared gives us boots on the ground. RecruitMilitary has some of the best on military installation events that really bring in so much active duty and veteran and even like guard and reserve talent. It is phenomenal. And so we get really excited when we are able to be a part of a RecruitMilitary event. It's been great for helping us to be able to create a connection with that job seeker and be able to empathize better with their situation, and then also allow us to grow as a company, being able to acquire that type of talent. We are beyond grateful for organizations like RecruitMilitary and the work that they do to help John Deere find really amazing talent in the military community. And we are so, so grateful for the work that our military is doing every day.